Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Softech. In this video, we are going to learn about the 10-10 radius method as well as 10-10 method. Okay, this is the last video related to the circle creation. Let's start the video. You can see that we have two objects, and in this video, we will learn about the 10-10 radius method as well as the tangent method. Okay. So let's apply these two methods in these two figures. Now let's go to the circle, then click over the downward arrow, select the 10-10 radius from there. Now specify the first tangent point, then the second, and after that provide the radius value, then press enter. You can see that we have created a circle of radius 5 feet with the help of 10-10 radius method. Now let's see the next method, that is the 10-10-10 method. Again go to the circle, then click over the downward arrow. Now select the 10-10-10 method from here. Then provide the first tangent point, next tangent point, and at last the third tangent point. You can see that we have created a circle with the help of the 10-10-10 method. So this is for all today. If anyone is new in this channel, then please subscribe to my channel Civil Softech. Like this video, share it and do comments in the comment section. We are going to meet in the next videos with the new topics. Till then, bye bye and take care.